We're a design, engineering, manufacturing facility.
The manufacturer of institutional furniture.
We manufacture tooling and accessories for the sheet metal fabrication industry.
Solid carbide cutting tool supplier.
We've been working with Global Shop Solutions since 2009.
4 years ago.
Since 2001.
A little over 8 years.
We chose Global Shop Solutions as our ERP software to assist with the management of our shop floor.
Best total solution for us.
We've got great visibility into our product.
Global Shop Solutions has really helped us with the advanced planning and scheduling of all of our products.
It has a lot of configuration options.
We got really good traceability from start to finish, flowing all the way through the shop and through shipping.
It's helped us with our cost. It's helped us with our inventories.
They're a great partner. They respond quickly.
What Global Shop Solutions did for us has made us a better company.
They're always there for you.
We can see our costing, we can see our employee performance, we can see every aspect of our business to make the right business decisions.